Hey there, health enthusiasts. Are you ready to crack open the incredible health benefits of eggs? You might think you know everything about this humble breakfast staple, but get ready to be surprised. In this video, we're going to explore the latest research on how eggs can supercharge your health in ways you never imagined. So, let's get cracking. For years, eggs have been a controversial topic in the health world. Some people claim they're a superfood, while others worry about their cholesterol content. However, recent studies have shed new light on the many ways eggs can support our health, from boosting brain function to reducing inflammation. In this video, we'll be diving into 1. The top 5 science-backed health benefits of eggs that you might not know about. 2. How to incorporate eggs into your diet for maximum nutrition. 3. Important tips and precautions to keep in mind when consuming eggs. Whether you're a die-hard egg lover or have been hesitant to embrace them, this video will give you a fresh perspective on why eggs deserve a place on your plate. Picture your brain as a bustling city, with neurons zipping around like busy commuters. Now, imagine there's a power outage, and the city grinds to a halt. That's where choline, one of the star nutrients in eggs, comes in. Like a generator, choline keeps your brain powered up and running smoothly, ensuring that your memory, learning, and focus are always on point. Benefit 1. Brain boost. Let's start with one of the most exciting benefits of eggs, their impact on brain health. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain development and function. Studies have shown that choline is essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that regulates memory, mood, and muscle control. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that higher choline intake was linked to better cognitive performance in adults. To get the brain-boosting benefits of choline, aim to include whole eggs in your diet regularly. 2 large eggs contain about 300 milligrams of choline, which is more than half of the daily recommended intake. Benefit 2. Eye health. Next up, let's talk about how eggs can help keep your eyes healthy. Eggs are rich in 2 powerful antioxidants, lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect against age-related vision loss and cataracts. These antioxidants are particularly concentrated in the egg yolk, and research has shown that they accumulate in the retina of the eye, where they help filter out harmful blue light and prevent damage to the delicate structures of the eye. To get the most eye-protecting benefits from eggs, opt for eggs from pastured or free-range hens, which tend to have higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. Benefit 3. Muscle maintenance. Eggs are also a fantastic food for maintaining and building muscle mass. They are one of the best sources of high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need to function properly. 1 large egg contains about 6 grams of protein, which is essential for repairing and building muscle tissue, especially as we age. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that eating whole eggs immediately after resistance exercise led to greater muscle protein synthesis than consuming just egg whites. To maximize the muscle-building benefits of eggs, try incorporating them into your post-workout meals or snacks. Benefit 4. Inflammation reduction. Inflammation is a hot topic in the health world these days, and for a good reason. Chronic inflammation has been linked to a wide range of diseases, from heart disease to cancer. Luckily, eggs may help reduce inflammation in the body, thanks to their unique combination of nutrients. Eggs are one of the few food sources of dietary phospholipids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation by regulating the production of inflammatory compounds in the body. Additionally, eggs are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. To get the inflammation-fighting benefits of eggs, try to choose eggs from hens raised on a diet rich in omega-3s, such as those fed flax seeds or algae. Benefit 5. Heart health. Last but not least, let's address the long-standing myth that eggs are bad for heart health due to their cholesterol content. While it's true that eggs contain cholesterol, recent research has shown that dietary cholesterol has little effect on blood cholesterol levels in most people. In fact, Eggs may actually help improve heart health by increasing levels of HDL, good cholesterol, and reducing the risk of stroke. A 2018 study published in the journal Heart found that people who ate up to 1 egg per day had a lower risk of heart disease and stroke compared to those who ate no eggs. To enjoy the heart-healthy benefits of eggs, try to pair them with other heart-smart foods like avocado, nuts, and whole grains. Tips and precautions. While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, there are a few things to keep in mind when incorporating them into your diet. First, be sure to store and handle eggs properly to reduce the risk of foodborne illness. Always keep eggs refrigerated and cook them thoroughly before eating. If you have a history of high cholesterol or are at risk for heart disease, talk to your doctor about how many eggs are safe for you to consume. While most healthy people can safely eat up to 1 egg per day, those with certain health conditions may need to limit their intake. Finally, remember that the health benefits of eggs are most pronounced when they're part of an overall balanced diet. Pair your eggs with plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins for optimal nutrition. Impactful conclusion. So there you have it, 5 surprising health benefits of eggs that you might not have known about. From boosting brain power to fighting inflammation, eggs are truly a superfood in a shell. But don't just take my word for it, try incorporating more eggs into your diet and see how you feel. Whether you like them scrambled, poached, or sunny side up, there's no denying that eggs are a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to learn more about the incredible health benefits of everyday foods, subscribe to our channel for more evidence-based nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to your health, little changes can make a big difference. See you next time.